Shamoon Abbasi recently appeared on Wasi Shah's show where he spoke openly about his life and career. Shamoon Abbasi has worked in many successful television dramas where he has played diverse and challenging roles. His popular dramas include Uski Mohabbat, Jalebi Akhara, and most recently Dastag. But along with his work, Shamoon Abbasi's personal life has also always been in the public eye. Shamoon Abbasi's first marriage was to actress Javeria Babi, and he has a daughter named Anjala with Javeria. After that, Shamoon married Ferozi Khan's sister, Humaima Malik, but that marriage ended in divorce within a year. Shamoon's third wife was Javeria Randhawa, with whom he also has a daughter. After that, Shamoon is now happily married to actress Shire Shah, and they have been married for 5 years. But for the first time, Shamoon Abbasi openly discussed the fundamental reasons behind all his divorces on Wasi Shah's program. Shamoon Abbasi explained that his marriages did not succeed because the couples were looking for different things in life. His former wives Javeria, Humaima, and Javeria Randhawa were more successful and materialistic, whereas he is someone who believes that things come with time. Shamoon has never said anything negative about any of his 3 former wives because everyone has the right to have certain expectations from life. Shamoon shared that both Javeria and Humaima have done exceptionally well in their careers, much better than him. That's why I'm happy that everyone has found their own happiness. Shamoon Abbasi further said that perhaps his mistake was that he didn't take enough initiative to help his partners achieve what they wanted in life, and maybe he didn't understand them the way he should have. Shamoon Abbasi also revealed that he has good relations with his ex-wives and that they can talk on the phone if needed. Shamoon said that this mutual respect has been maintained through efforts from both sides. So friends, what are your thoughts on Shamoon Abbasi's own revelations about his personal life? Do you genuinely believe it is profoundly important to establish and maintain crystal clear expectations in any and all types of relationships, whether they are personal, professional, or platonic? We are very eager to hear your valuable thoughts and perspectives on this crucial topic, so please be sure to let us know your detailed opinions and insights in the comment section below. If you found this video informative and engaging, please take a moment to show your support by giving it a thumbs up, sharing it widely with your friends and family, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.